Welcome to today's episode of Mamata podcast on the topic of some of the top countries for study and immigration. Today in this podcast we'll be exploring Canada and Australia. Let's talk about Canada. The country is known for its friendly immigration policies and high quality education system. It offers a range of immigration programs and has some of the top universities in the world. Canada is considered one of the best countries for immigration and study due to several reasons. High quality education system. Canada has a highly respected education system with top ranked universities and colleges offering a wide range of programs. Canada is home to some of the best research facilities in the world, and students are encouraged to pursue research opportunities during their studies. Immigration friendly policies. The country has one of the most welcoming immigration policies in the world, and the government has implemented several programs to attract skilled workers and international students to the country. The express entry system allows immigrants with the required skills to apply for permanent residency in a streamlined process. Cultural diversity. Canada is a multicultural country that values diversity and inclusivity. Immigrants are welcomed and encouraged to maintain their cultural identity while adapting to Canadian culture. High standard of living. Canada offers a high standard of living with good health care, social services, and a safe environment. Canada has been consistently ranked as one of the best countries to live in by the United Nations. Employment opportunities. Canada has a strong and stable economy with many employment opportunities in various fields, including healthcare, technology, and natural resources. Post-graduation work permits. International students who graduate from Canadian universities are eligible for post-graduation work permits, which allow them to gain work experience in Canada for up to 3 years. Overall, Canada's combination of a high-quality education system, welcoming immigration policies, cultural diversity, high standard of living, employment opportunities, and post-graduation work permits make it an attractive destination for immigration and study. Now let's talk about Australia, another best countries among one of the best countries for study and immigration. Australia has a strong economy and a diverse culture. It offers a range of immigration options and has some of the top universities in the world. Australia is considered one of the best countries for study and immigration due to several reasons. High quality education system. Australia has a world-renowned education system with top-ranked universities and colleges offering a wide range of programs. The country's education system is regulated by the government to ensure high standards and quality education. Immigration-friendly policies of Australia. Australia has a points-based system that allows skilled workers and international students with the required skills to apply for permanent residency. The country's skilled migration program attracts skilled workers in various fields including healthcare, engineering, and IT. Cultural diversity. Australia is a multicultural country that values diversity and inclusivity. Immigrants are welcomed and encouraged to maintain their cultural identity while adapting to Australian culture. High standard of living. Australia offers a high standard of living with good healthcare, social services, and a safe environment. The country's city consistently ranked among the world's most livable cities. Employment opportunities. Australia has a strong and diverse economy with many employment opportunities in various fields, including agriculture, tourism, and education. Post-graduation work opportunities. International students who graduate from Australian universities are eligible for post-graduation work visas that allow them to gain work experience in Australia for up to 4 years. Natural beauty. Australia is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, including its beaches, national parks, and unique wildlife. Overall, Australia's combination of a high-quality education system, immigration-friendly policies, cultural diversity, high standard of living, employment opportunities, post-graduation work visas, and natural beauty make it an attractive destination for study and immigration. Ultimately, the best country for immigration and education will depend on the individual circumstances and goals. It's important to do research and consider factors such as language requirements, job opportunities, and the cost of living before making a decision. Thank you for listening to our podcast on the topic of two of the top countries for study and immigration, that is Canada and Australia. Please subscribe to this channel.